time you want to play a game.
I'm over this fish. I'm gonna find it close.
Yes.
Nate, you might want to move.
No, yeah, true.
If you're not down to the picks. Pull back hard. Aw. Oh, almost. Red. Okay, pull back. Woo! Aw, that's okay. You get a balloon?
Oh, thank God. We had 3 kids, and they somehow ended up popping his. And the 2 older girls had theirs. He was hysterical all night. This was 2 days ago. All night. We had to work through every single booth. We didn't know which one he got the balloon from because he forgot. Say thank you.
Hey, you want to move now?
No.
Nathan! Nathan!
I'll go sit on the duck tank.
Go sit on the night tank.
I'll dunk you, I promise.
Right now, I wouldn't even care.
No, that water's nasty.
I know.
They should have put like chlorine in it. Somebody should have bought chlorine.
Or
from
they
the
should
pool.
refill it every day.
They
Yeah.
did have chlorine. They didn't refill it every day.
They just wrote it today.
They just added water to it. Yeah, I'm
No,
glad
they
I went.
actually dumped it all out and refilled it.
Seriously?
They didn't put any chlorine in
That's
it.
because
That's what they needed.
need.
I'll put this on YouTube so you won't watch what you say.
Why don't you put that on YouTube?
Because there's a reason, Nate.
Boom! Boom!
Stop.
Boom!
Oh, that one went high.
One of them's gonna hit the moon.
I don't think that's possible.
What are you talking
Let's
about?
shoot an RPG at the moon.
The moon is space, Nathan.
I worry about
It's
you.
gone.
Behind a cloud.
I don't believe you.
Nate, I worry about you.
Let's shoot an RPG.
There's
at
the moon. There's the moon. Are you gonna shoot Angry Birds at the moon? No! No!
Oh
No!
my god.
Tommy.
You guys are so simple. I worry about you.
Give me the shooter. Get off my shooter.
You're shaking the whole. Stop! You're shaking the whole thing.
Nathan, no!
Stop! You're gonna break it.
Thomas, the rope is ripping.
What?
It's ripping right here. You can feel it ripping. Feel right there.
Woo! That's pretty.
There's the moon back, Nate.
Shoot down
The
the
moon is
limit.
back! No! Nathan, stop!
Stop! I'll slap you.
You still putting that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Can you please?
I am.
No, not on YouTube. Can you please?
Oh, I will. No, I won't.
Ow!
Stop!
It's not. These are 20 minutes long.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're 20 minutes long of one firework at a time.
This is a normal fireworks show.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. What's not normal about it? He said there's one firework at a time. They don't shoot off like multiple
That's
fireworks.
not till the finale, dude.
Yeah, the finale is the longest, but they don't do a finale the whole show.
I've only been at one.
Dude, my Uncle Todd, he every year he puts $5,000 into fireworks for 4th of July, and this year he put $10,000 in. He sets them up from like 12 to 12, and it is great. I love it so much. Except I can't like videotape 12 hours.
No, last year we were in Michigan for the 4th of July, and they do fireworks on the lake, and we were sitting on the lake, and we could see like the barge, and then we could see like all of a sudden all these fireworks started shooting up. It looked like the finale, and then we realized there was a fire on the barge because it had rained.
Oh.
It had rain, and there was a fire on the thing. So they didn't set off the fireworks. The fire set off the fireworks.
Oh, that's casual.
That's great.
So he it was just like, oh.
Yeah, but like what my uncle does is illegal, but like nobody cares. Like where we go, none of the neighbors care, so they enjoy them.
My neighbor is Charlie Batch's stepbrother, and he got fireworks last year for 4th of July. We were home by the 4th. Like they did their fireworks on the 2nd last year because the 4th was on a Monday.
Yeah, we're having our party next weekend. I love it. It's awesome. My aunt, she'll
Yeah,
do my
we went
hair.
to Indiana to pick up Matt from a scholarship camp or whatever, college camp.
Well, I have a scholarship.
And then we were going to buy a bunch of aerial fireworks, and we forgot. And my dad was so stupid.
Nice story.
We're going out next year to buy actual aerial fireworks.
Where's Matt at this week?
Here.
Oh, he's here this week.
Oh, that's
Well,
pretty.
sort of. He just got back from Shippensburg at 4:30. So, yeah, we got back from a 6-hour trip at 4:30, and then had 20 minutes at home and came up here. So,
And he's going somewhere else this week?
I think he's going to soccer camp.
Tony's mad at me because I didn't go to Edinburgh. Well, sorry, my mom was in the hospital.
Yeah, it's respectable.
Mom doing okay?
Yeah,
Mom do better?
she's out now. She got home yesterday night. She came for like 10 minutes and couldn't take it and left.
Well, last night wasn't a very good night either.
No, she came tonight. And she saw me in the dunk tank and then left.
Last night was good.
It was boring.
It was a fair one.
Well, we still got that ride going. Either that or just doing it with nobody on it.
I don't know.
Donkeys on it.
I want to ride that, but I don't have anyone to ride with me.
I don't have any more tickets left.
I'll give you. I have a whole sheet. I mean, that's all. Yeah, that's all I have left. But
All right.
all right.
Me and Rachel will go.
Rachel can't leave.
She can't leave Maddie really and do by herself.
And she has the apron.
No, I already have a headache. Remember, I'm going to go on the spinning thing with her. No.
That's what I want to do.
The high flyer. The high flyer.
Cool. That was cool. That was nifty.
Hey, where's my bathing suit? Can you hand me
Yeah. Sorry.
it? Good, it's fine.
Is he with her now?
No.
She was supposed to work this.
No, Mom, she informed me that she's leaving.
Yeah. So she left alright. I want a goldfish, but I'd never take care of it. Yeah, I have 2 cats and 2 dogs.
The no adults stay away.
nothing to wait.
Mom, is Dad's still open?
No. Trust me, I went over to try to buy tickets.
Because they take the tickets back.
I want to ride the Disney Dragons with Shannon and RJ.
They don't want to tickets.
I'd do that. I want to ride everything except that thing because that looks really uncomfortable.
You follow, they're designed very badly. The high flyers.
Just kind of like hang there. That happened like on the Kennywood swings. Like last year we had a gate field trip to Kennywood. We went all day. Like we were supposed to do educational things, so Mrs. Smith, she let us do whatever we wanted. So it was really fun. Me, Seth, and Christian went together. Except it wasn't fun because it was me, Seth, and Christian, but it was fun that we got to do whatever. I guess not last year, 2 years ago.
Wait, they're shooting those off from the Nike side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I played airsoft there once. It was pretty fun. But
I almost ran someone over up there.
I'm gonna get maybe an M4 for my birthday, and can't wait for that because I like to shoot big guns. And then Tyler just got a pistol. They shot it with the fireworks. It exploded.
Is that one went boom?
Ooh! But
It got stuck in the moon.
longest video I've ever taken. And not wear it.
No.
You don't deserve it.
No, but you can't pull this one and break the clip on it too. Stop. Stop. Stop, you're breaking the clip again.
Ooh, that one was pretty.
Animal crackers.
And purple. I like purple.
Oh, it keeps flashing.
Anna, who first this is?
Courtney Drinker.
Nate. Why are you
Calm down, mate.
I think they shut down the front slide. I'll go see.
That was so cool. Oh, there was a time I couldn't watch fireworks for 3 years. Why? Because I was in a bad car accident, just like the Big Bang. I don't know why. It's like when you hear it, and I would cry. But I'm over that. Ooh. There's some sparkly.